Welcome back to my channel! Today, I am going to show you how to make a paper lantern. Here's what we need. A sheet of paper, circle sheets, white glue, and of course, glue gun. Glue gun. Joke, glue gun. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start. First, we need to fold our circle sheets like this.